Montessori at school, creating an effective Montessori classroom. Hello, parents! Are you curious about what makes a Montessori classroom so special? Let's step inside and explore the key elements that create this unique learning environment. We'll uncover how these classrooms are carefully designed to nurture your child's independence and love of learning. Get ready to discover the magic of Montessori. Imagine a classroom designed just for children. Everything is scaled down to their size, from the tables and chairs to the shelves. This creates a sense of ownership and empowers them to move freely and comfortably. Open shelves display materials in an organized and inviting way. Montessori encourages the use of natural materials like bamboo, linen, and wool, rather than synthetic options. These materials foster a deeper connection to the natural world and provide a tactile, sensory experience that enhances children's learning. Notice how the materials are arranged on the shelves. They're not just placed randomly, they're carefully organized by subject area and difficulty level. Younger children can easily reach materials on lower shelves, while older children can access more challenging activities higher up. This promotes independence and self-selection. Each material is complete and self-correcting, meaning children can work independently and learn from their mistakes without constant adult intervention. Montessori teachers are often referred to as guides. Their role is to observe, facilitate, and support each child's individual learning journey. They don't lecture or give direct instructions. Instead, they offer gentle guidance and introduce new materials when a child is ready. The teacher carefully observes each child's interests and developmental needs, tailoring the learning experience to meet them where they are. One of the most beautiful aspects of a Montessori classroom is the emphasis on self-directed learning. Children are encouraged to choose their own activities and work at their own pace. This fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility for their learning when they get older. They learn to manage their time, solve problems, and persevere through challenges as they transition to grade school. The prepared environment and the guidance of the teacher create a safe and supportive space for children to explore their interests and develop their full potential. A well-designed Montessori classroom offers numerous benefits for children. It fosters independence, self-confidence, and a love of learning. Children develop strong problem-solving skills, critical thinking abilities, and a deep understanding of the world around them. They also learn to collaborate with others and respect different perspectives. Ultimately, a Montessori education prepares children to be lifelong learners and active, engaged members of society. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of a Montessori classroom. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like and subscribe.